it's day 2 in Boracay and magko-coffee lang kami outside because may work ako today. So, kailangan ko ng power up. So, ayun ang agenda for today's video. So guys, we're checking out na from the Piccolo Hotel. And then, lilipat kami to a cheaper option, which is katapat lang niya. Super, as in, ayan, pagtawid namin dyan, diyan kami lilipat sa Julius Hotel, which is here. Ayan. So ayan, tumawid na kami sa Julius Resort and binigyan nila kami ng welcome drinks and nire-ready pa daw yung room. And guys, I will show you in the screen yung prevailing rate nila ngayon para may idea kayo how much yung room na binigay sa amin for this stay. Ayan guys, medyo gloomy pa rin today. Pero nagpapakita na yung araw ng very slight. Ayan. But still, ang ganda pa rin talaga ng dagat. Bluish pa din siya. Kahit yung weather. So ayan, maglakad-lakad muna tayo sa beach and magpicture-picture. And maghahanap kami ni Ate Faye ng place na pwede kami mag-coffee. So, we have arrived at Blackfish Coffee Bar. Dito kami magko-coffee ni Ate Faye and medyo nasa dulo na siya ng Station 2, bordering to Station 1. Ayun guys, medyo pricey yung coffee dito. Pero masarap naman yung in-order ko, yung Isla Coffee. And si Ate Faye, nag-order siya nung vanilla almond latte yata. And sakto lang. I think for the price, I would rather go to Starbucks. Char! Pero ayun, since nandito naman tayo sa Boracay and wala namang Blackfish Coffee sa Manila, I think. So, might as well, try nyo na rin kapag nandito kayo. Ayan. So, ayan, naka 700 plus kami for 2 iced coffee and isang cookie. Ayan guys, ganun siya. Medyo pricey, yes. And ayan yung popular mirror nila for selfie. So, this is our room at Julius Italian Resort, Boracay. So, ayan, twin beds. In-upgrade daw kami ni Sir ng with balcony. So, ayan. May view from here, guys. Kita lang dyan yung pool sa ibaba. Ayan, may couch, may TV, may desk. Ayan, may faucet doon sa bedside. Lamig ng aircon nila, guys. And ang spacious ng bathroom. Ayan. So, that evening, wala naman kami masyado ginawa ni Ate Faye. Ayan. Naglakad-lakad lang kami sa beachside and bumili ng water and other toiletries na kailangan. Ayun, super chill night lang. And napansin ko, parang may bagong kiosk doon. This one is near La Carmela. Itong
tipsy hot. Parang cocktails yata siya yung siniserve niya. Pero hindi namin siya na-try. Ayun, na-share ko lang guys. And fast forward to the next morning. It's another day for a buffet breakfast. Sobrang okay ng selection dito sa Astoria Current, as you can see. Ayan. Check nyo na lang guys itong upcoming na mga snippets ng breakfast. Ayun. Ang sarap nitong blueberry peach dressing nila. Ang perfect sa mga fresh greens na salad. Tinry ko siya guys. Ayun. And ang ganda na ng view. Hindi na masyadong gloomy. Ayan. Let's eat guys. So after that super yummy breakfast, nag-ready na ako. And as you can see, medyo umaaraw na. And it's a good day para lumabas and mag-beach. So there guys, that's our outfit of the day.
Hello guys, so it's another day in Boracay. And nakapag-breakfast and nakapag-ayos na ako and all. Pero may work ako later, so baka mag-coffee lang ulit ako this noon time sa labas. And balik rin ako dito sa room para mag-work. Okay naman yung internet connection nila dito. Kaso medyo napuputol-putol siya sa mobile devices. Pero pag connected siya sa laptop, okay naman siya. So reliable siya sa mga gusto mag-remote work dito sa Astoria Current, Boracay. So that's it. I'll see you guys later when I get some coffee.
So I am already on my way to find a coffee spot. Ayan, and enjoy the walk with me guys here in Station 3, Boracay.
Thankfully guys, medyo maaraw na today. Kanina medyo umulan pa pero ayan, nagpapakita na ulit yung araw Mas maganda yung dagat, as you can see. Diba? Ayan. I am walking from Station 3 to Station 2. Maghahanap tayo ng cafe.
So we have already arrived here at Chacha's Beach Cafe. And ito yung in-house restaurant ng Coast Boracay. And super popular nila sa island, especially yung ube champorado nila. And I'm showing you guys the menu para may idea kayo sa food items or drinks na ina-offer nila and para makita nyo yung prices. Ayan. It was a weekday lunchtime nung nagpunta ako and surprisingly wala masyadong tao. Ayan, I'm showing you guys. Ayan, meron din silang indoor seating na may spacious naman, high ceiling, and meron bar area. Ayan, and nag-coffee and cake lang ako kasi super busog pa ako sa breakfast buffet namin sa Astoria Current. Kaya ayan, nag-dessert lang ako. Sobrang chill talaga ng vibe dito. Ang sarap mag emote, charot. I mean, ang sarap magtambay-tambay and ang ganda ng view mo and enjoy your coffee. And guys, sobrang sarap nitong cookie dough cheesecake nila. I recommend this one na i-try nyo pag nag-chachas kayo for dessert. Ayan. And eventually, mauubos ko siya kahit mag-isa lang ako. So, ayun guys, lumipat ako ng seat kasi medyo mainit na dun sa napili kong table. And ayan yung total bill ko. It was 455 pesos for your reference. So, after that quick coffee run, naglakad-lakad pa ako papuntang D-Mall area. And nadaanan ko rin tong Real Coffee, guys. Sikat din to sa Boracay for their calamansi muffin. Pero nung na-try ko kasi siya, parang average lang siya for me. So, I think it's enough na matry ko siya once. Pero hindi na ako nag-return. Ayun. Just my 2 cents. Ayan. And I'm already at D-Mall. Naghahanap ako ng place matitake outan ng lunch. And napili ko is yung Island Bowls Boracay, which you will see in a while. Ayan, super cute ng red food truck vibe nung dining spot na to. And makikita niyo siya talaga agad. Ayan guys, yung menu nila. For your reference, ayan. Nag-take out lang ako kasi may work ako that afternoon. And later I will show you kung ano yung binili ko. Masarap din yung chicken satay nila dito and yung nasi goreng fried rice nila guys. Try nyo siya kapag nandito kayo sa island.
So, I'm back in the room guys. And nagulat ako kasi nag-makeup room yung housekeeping ni Astoria Current. Kahit hindi kami nag-ask, which is a good thing din naman. Pero meron kasi sila nung parang door tags ba to na may privacy please kung ayaw nyo magpalinis ng room, or you can put up the other one, yung tidy up. Pero hindi namin siya nilagay. Pero still sila proactively, and may pa free newspaper pa. O diba? Bongga. Ayan, medyo gloomy ulit. Lumalabas-labas yung araw pero parang medyo may pagka-cloudy pa rin. So, parang may tendency pa rin na umulan-ulan. So, lagi kaming nagdadala ng payong pag lumalabas. Ito pa nga pala guys. May microwave sa room si Astoria Current. So, pag may leftover food kayo, pwede nyo siyang warm or any heat dito. Perfect, diba? Nasa poolside kami guys. So ayan. Gabi kami nag-try mag-swim kasi wala lang tao sa pool. As you can see. Ayan. Pero dun sa kabilang pool nila, marami pa ring tao. And maingay kasi may live band dun sa restaurant na adjacent dun sa pool. So guys, hindi warm yung pool nila. Medyo malamig yung water. Ayan, just a fair warning. Medyo malamig pa naman ngayon kasi umuulan-ulan. So, ayun. So guys, ayun na yung char kway teow and spring rolls na
in-order ko kanina sa Island Bowls, Boracay. And ito na yung favorite ko na sneakers tart from Lemoni Cafe na kakainin ko later on while working from Boracay. So guys, una na sa list ng tips na i-share ko when you're working from Boracay is yung location. Pansin ko mas okay na mag-work ako from around Station 1 to 2 and sa ibang areas like Station 3 or yung sa Diniwid Beach, medyo mahina na yung signal ng internet. And next is yung hotel. Minsan pili din kayo ng hotels na maayos or reliable yung internet connection, and I check this through reviews from Agoda or TripAdvisor. Doon ko nakikita kung okay ba yung connection ni hotel. And next is magdala rin kayo ng backup internet connection. Pwede yung mobile data nyo or yung mga broadband na nabibili rin online. And lastly is extension cords. Hindi lahat ng hotels ay maraming pwedeng pagsaksakan. So, I advise magdala kayo ng extension. And yan, excuse my face na nakapag-skincare na at wala ng makeup. Ayan, and in-enjoy ko talaga yung bathtub nila guys. Sobrang relaxing nitong lavender. So, I guess that's it for this vlog, and stay tuned for my next Boracay vlog pa. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!